Just a quick video of the Car Enhancements UK or CEUK Chaser RGB Halos version 2. These are the 70mm diameter halos that'll fit a Fiesta ST. So here it is installed on the car. You can see the halos there. Comes with a power unit which powers the and controller, and that wires, you can see it's cable tied, wires into the battery down here. Got a red for the positive. There's a little fuse box that it comes with just here, and then the negative wires to the ground, not the negative on the battery terminal. The other thing it comes with is a little Bluetooth receiver box that wires into the power unit here, and that receives Bluetooth commands from the Magic LED app, which is available on the Google Play or Apple iOS stores, free download. And then from here the cables wire to the left down under the headlight there, and to the right over here, down to the fogs down here. I've got fog light covers. Might be a bit different if you don't have those, but very similar. So I've just got yellow fog light surrounds, but here is the just at the bottom I've got the cable going through near the fog light there. One thing I did do wrong, and I didn't read the instructions, was that they actually say to put the cable from the top, not the bottom. But as long as you do the same on both, because there's animation lighting and circular lighting that you can select, and if one's on the top on the left and then one on the bottom on the right, it'll be out of sequence. So as long as they go in at about the same spot. But the reason they ask to go at the top is because the fog light halo cabling is so short. We're only talking 70mm here, but if I put it at the top I would have got that little bit more slack, but the cabling is so short. The only place I could really put the receivers and the power unit were here, and still have just that tiny amount of slack to just make it all work. I had to cut the insulation here and retape it. Just to, this insulation actually went up to about here, which again is that maybe 70 centimeters. There were 7 centimeters that they're talking about, but and then I taped it up again myself. But that only just fits, and there's 3 complaints with this unit, really. Number one, the cabling is just very short. That's my main complaint. I've got these units stuck on with good double-sided tape. So yeah, first complaint, the cabling's too short. Second complaint, there's no Bluetooth security on this this receiver. No PIN code, passcode, or anything. So basically anybody can download the Magic LED app, be within 10-20 meters of the car, within Bluetooth range, and look for what looks to be a receiving Bluetooth device, click on it, and it could be your car, and then start controlling your halos, even when the car's off. And the reason for that, and that's the third complaint, is that that Bluetooth receiver and the halos are on all the time. Well, the halos are off, but the receiver is on all the time, waiting for a command from the app. So the only way to turn it off is to either wire in a toggle switch here or something, or pull the fuse if you're not going to be using your halos for a while. Otherwise, because it's directly wired to the battery, it's always on, waiting for a signal. And other ones I've seen from AutoBeam and others that also wire direct to the battery would have the same issue, unless they wire in a toggle switch or a fuse box, or a little fuse or something like that. So they're the main complaints. Other than that, it works pretty good. But that's it. We'll give you a demo.